Picture this, walking into what appears to be a Las Vegas-style casino, ready to try some luck at the slots, only to discover that nothing works, the tables are empty, and the entire atmosphere feels eerily quiet. This exact scenario happens to thousands of cruise passengers every single day, simply because they don't understand the unique rules that govern floating casinos. The differences between land-based and cruise ship casinos go far beyond what meets the eye. And some of these distinctions could either save or cost significant money. What follows are 6 insider secrets that cruise lines rarely advertise, but every passenger should know before stepping foot into their floating casino. Cruise ship casinos operate under strict maritime laws that differ dramatically from their land-based counterparts. These floating gaming establishments only function when ships sail in international waters, meaning complete closure during all port visits. Even at sea, different games become available at varying times throughout the day, with slots typically opening first and table games following later. Senior travelers often prefer structured schedules and early activities, making casino timing particularly relevant for this demographic. Understanding these restrictions prevents disappointment and allows for better vacation planning, especially for those who view casino entertainment as a primary cruise activity. This knowledge enables seniors to coordinate casino visits with other onboard activities more effectively. Speaking of timing, how many cruise passengers miss out on their preferred games simply because they arrive at the wrong time? Cruise lines deliberately position casinos in high-traffic areas of the ship, typically on main decks 5 through 7. These locations intersect with primary walkways leading to dining rooms, theaters, and popular lounges. The strategic placement capitalizes on basic psychological principles, encouraging spontaneous visits through repeated exposure. Senior passengers often spend considerable time exploring ship amenities and walking between activities, making them particularly susceptible to these strategic placements. Understanding this intentional design helps seniors make more conscious decisions about casino visits rather than impulsive ones. This awareness allows for better budgeting and planned entertainment rather than unintended spending. Given this strategic design, what other cruise ship design elements subtly influence passenger behavior without most people realizing it? Most major cruise lines offer complimentary gaming lessons for popular casino games like blackjack, roulette, and craps. These educational sessions typically occur during morning or early afternoon hours before tables open for actual play. Participants learn rules, strategies, and proper etiquette without risking any money. Senior travelers often appreciate learning opportunities and prefer understanding activities thoroughly before participating. These classes provide a comfortable, pressure-free environment for seniors who may feel intimidated by casino atmospheres or unfamiliar with modern gaming. The educational aspect appeals to the senior demographic's preference for informed decision-making. With this in mind, why do so many experienced travelers overlook these valuable learning opportunities that could enhance their entire cruise experience? Just a quick pause from our cruise talk to give a shout out to our sponsor, Pamoja Safaris. They specialize in incredible safari adventures, and their commitment to creating lifelong memories really resonates with us. Big thanks to Pamoja for helping make this channel possible. Cruise ship slot machines operate on a completely digital system tied directly to passenger room keycards. Winnings are transferred electronically to the card rather than producing paper tickets or vouchers. Cash redemption requires visiting the casino cashier rather than using automated machines. Senior passengers may find digital gaming systems less intuitive than traditional paper-based methods they remember from land casinos. This unfamiliar technology can create confusion and potential security concerns for seniors managing their winnings. Understanding the system beforehand prevents awkward situations and ensures seniors can enjoy gaming without technical difficulties. Beyond casinos, how many other cruise ship technologies operate differently than their land-based equivalents, catching experienced travelers off guard? Cruise ship casinos experience peak activity during evening hours after dinner service and main entertainment shows conclude. The atmosphere becomes highly social and energetic, with all gaming areas typically reaching capacity. This creates a vibrant but crowded environment that can be overwhelming for some passengers. Senior passengers often prefer less crowded, quieter environments for extended gaming sessions. Evening crowds may make it difficult for seniors to secure preferred machines or tables, potentially impacting their casino experience. Planning casino visits during off-peak hours allows seniors to enjoy gaming with better machine availability and more personal attention from staff. Similarly, what other onboard activities experience these same peak hour challenges that could affect senior passengers' enjoyment? Cruise ship gambling age requirements differ significantly from United States land-based casinos, with most cruise lines allowing passengers to gamble at age 18 rather than 21. Certain itineraries, particularly those involving Alaska, may maintain higher age requirements to comply with local regulations. This policy applies only to gambling, as drinking age remains 21 throughout the ship. Senior travelers often cruise with multi-generational families, including young adult grandchildren or relatives. Understanding age requirements helps seniors plan family activities and know which family members can participate in casino entertainment. This knowledge prevents family conflicts and allows for better vacation coordination among different age groups. On that note, what other cruise policies differ from land-based expectations and could impact multi-generational travel planning? These 6 casino insights represent just the beginning of cruise ship secrets that can transform any voyage from ordinary to extraordinary. For more insider cruise knowledge, including part 2 of this casino series, subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell to never miss crucial travel information. Like this video if these tips provided valuable insights, and check the description below for additional resources, links to related content, and comprehensive cruise planning guides that will ensure every future cruise exceeds expectations.